Hi, this is Ma. I came from London and I found out the Myra Dental Clinic in Antalya, which is my friend who recommended me to come and check. And I was really looking forward to do my teeth, and I went to London all over the place, and I found out Myra is one of the best in Antalya. Now I have this treatment like for a year now when they started my treatment, and I'm very happy of their service, especially all the staff and the doctors who look after me very well, and they are all friendly and accommodating, which is I'm very glad that my teeth looks so great now. Thank you so much. Bye.